Welcome to Embodia's all-in-one practice management system. This video will give you a brief introduction to the Waitlist feature on Embodia. You can use the Waitlist feature on Embodia to manage your waitlist, notify patients of a cancellation that matches their availability, and book them into appointments from the waitlist. If you're the clinic manager, you can find and manage the clinic waitlist by navigating to Consults, Clinic Waitlist. Here you can add patients to the clinic waitlist by clicking on Add to Waitlist, filling out the fields in the form, and clicking Submit. You can also search the waitlist as well as book a patient appointment from the clinic waitlist for a practitioner in your clinic. Each practitioner in your clinic also has an individual waitlist that they can manage. Practitioners can add patients, search, and book appointments for themselves from their individual waitlists. Another way to access and use the waitlist is from your calendar view. Click on a time slot with a booked appointment, and then click on Add to Waitlist. Fill out the patient waitlist criteria, and click Submit. Your patient is now added to the waitlist. Also, from the calendar view, you can click on an empty time slot to search your waitlist. Fill out the patient waitlist criteria of the spot you have available and search for any waitlisted patients matching the criteria. Check the box to the left of the patient's name and send them an email notification letting them know that a spot has opened up or that you have booked them in. The clinic manager can also choose to allow patients to add themselves to the waitlist by going to My Clinic, Scheduling Settings, Online Booking. Then check the box to the left of Enable Waitlist. You can also spend some time exploring some of the other waitlist features here, and when you are done, click Update Settings. This ends our brief tour of waitlists on Embodia. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@embodiaapp.com.